Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I appreciate you stopping by. Your support helps to reach good people like yourselves. So with that said, let's dive into something that affects every single one of us. The invisible thieves that might be stealing your energy without you even realizing it. Have you ever woken up feeling like you never went to sleep? Or found yourself exhausted by noon despite getting what should have been enough rest? You're not alone. Today we're exploring how sleep and stress create a vicious cycle that can drain your life force. And more importantly, how ancient wisdom combined with modern science can help you reclaim your vitality. The relationship between sleep, stress, and energy isn't just biological, it's deeply philosophical. The Stoics understood that our internal state shapes our external reality. Marcus Aurelius wrote about the importance of preparing for sleep by cleansing the mind, using disciplined reflection to reset and cultivate tranquility. When we're chronically tired or stressed, we lose our capacity for clear thinking, emotional regulation, and meaningful connection with others. Let's start with sleep. Modern research shows that during deep sleep, your brain literally cleanses itself of toxins that accumulate during waking hours. But here's where it gets interesting from a philosophical perspective. Sleep isn't just physical recovery, it's spiritual renewal. Many wisdom traditions speak of sleep as a return to our essential nature, a temporary dissolution of the ego that allows deeper healing. When sleep is disrupted, everything suffers. Your stress hormones, like cortisol, remain elevated, creating a state of chronic alertness that your nervous system was never designed to maintain long-term. Acute sleep deprivation increases cortisol, especially during overnight and early morning hours, reflecting elevated stress response. This is where the ancient concept of balance becomes crucial. But stress isn't always the villain we make it out to be. Acute stress can actually enhance performance and focus. The problem arises when stress becomes chronic, when our fight or flight response never fully turns off. This is what the Buddha might have called suffering, not the natural challenges of life, but our resistance to them, our inability to find peace within difficulty. Chronic stress creates a cascade of physiological changes that directly impact sleep quality. Your mind races when your head hits the pillow, replaying the day's events or worrying about tomorrow's challenges. This is where mindfulness practices become invaluable. Buddhist meditation aims to maintain relaxed alertness, balancing between hyperarousal and hypoarousal, which helps manage sleep stress by promoting relaxation and reducing anxiety. Consider this: energy isn't just about feeling awake or alert. True energy comes from alignment. When your actions match your values, when your lifestyle supports your well-being, when you're living authentically rather than constantly fighting against yourself. The Stoics called this living according to nature, not just external nature, but your own essential nature. Here's a practical approach rooted in both wisdom and science. First, create what I call a transition ritual between your day and night. This might involve journaling to process the day's events, gentle stretching to release physical tension, or simply sitting quietly for a few minutes. The goal isn't perfection, but presence, being fully where you are rather than mentally rehearsing tomorrow's challenges. Second, examine your relationship with stress itself. Viktor Frankl taught that we cannot always control what happens to us, but we can choose our response. When you feel stress arising, pause and ask, is this stress serving me or am I serving it? Sometimes stress signals that something needs attention. Other times it's simply mental noise that can be acknowledged and released. Sleep hygiene matters, but it's not just about dark rooms and cool temperatures. It's about creating psychological safety for rest. This means addressing the underlying anxieties and tensions that keep your mind active when your body is ready to sleep. Sometimes this requires difficult conversations, boundary setting, or simply accepting that some problems cannot be solved tonight. The energy you're seeking isn't found in another cup of coffee or a new productivity system. It emerges when you stop fighting against your natural rhythms and start working with them. This requires what the Taoists call wu wei, effortless action, moving with life rather than against it. Remember, healing isn't linear. Some nights you'll sleep deeply, others you won't. Some days you'll feel energized, others depleted. The goal isn't to eliminate all stress or achieve perfect sleep, but to develop resilience, the ability to bend without breaking, to find peace within imperfection. Your energy is not separate from your overall well-being. It's connected to how you treat your body, mind, and spirit. When you honor your need for rest, address stress with wisdom rather than avoidance, and align your daily choices with your deeper values, energy naturally follows. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more content. I appreciate each and every one of you. See you in the next video.